Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to set up Unlinked on your Fire Stick, as well as one of the best codes that you can use there. This way you will be able to jailbreak your Fire Stick, or in other words, to get loads of amazing apps that are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And the whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up on your device. So now the first step is you need to get the downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to the search on your device, open the search bar and go typing the downloader. Usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You click on it and here is that app, which you need to get to the device. But then it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. You can do that by going to Settings. Let's do it all together. So click at the bottom of the gear icon, scroll down and open My Fire TV. Open it, and from here you need to turn on the developer options now. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to the About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it said no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So go back then, and you will finally see the developer options that now have appeared. Open them, make sure to turn on the 8-bit debugging. Then you need to head to Install Unknown Apps. And from here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's return to a list of applications on the Fire TV Stick. Here it is. Let's open it together. And now there is the downloader, which we got. But before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. So let's say we'll connect to the Netherlands right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, head there, open it, and then go to the downloader on the Fire Stick. Now here what you have to do is just go to the search bar and it's time to enter a link, which will be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Enter unlinked.link. So just enter it as you see and then click on go. Now a website will open in a couple of moments. You'll have to scroll it down and click on download APK Android. So the download of Unlinked started, click install and wait until it is fully finished for your device. After that, don't click open yet, instead it's better to press done, as this way you'll get the option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on a Fire Stick device. So simply click delete and then delete once again. Then we'll actually need to go to settings one more time. So click that button with a gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. And now in here what you have to do is go to developer options again, install unknown apps, and now you'll need to locate this application which we just got, which is called Unlinked, and turn the option on because we'll be using it to download other applications from the internet. And now we head back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and there at the bottom you will finally see Unlinked. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then let's go and open the app. Then when the app opens, go to click on Add a new library, and here you'll have to enter a code, which is gonna be Fire Stick as a word. So yep, just enter Fire Stick, just like that, and then click on Next. And in here, you'll get access to loads of amazing applications that are not available in the official Amazon App Store. All kinds of movie apps, TV shows, live TV, live sports, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye bye.